within to enjoy, to offer love, because we are the representatives of love. And love is endless, and so our journey. In this workshop, we are going to explore, share, laugh, cry, and stand up on our legs, proud of who we are, enjoying our beauty, and being ready to offer our love, and invite the men to come closer and to learn how to look up to life, look up to men with appreciation, recognize them as also a gender that is waking up and getting ready and coming and standing beside us. Naturally, as women, we give birth to boys and we teach them everything about life. So also in the evolution process, we've been working a lot in circles and in workshops, and we are arriving to the time where we can start inviting and taking it further. So I'm inviting you to come and explore with me this new space, and with other women from around the world. It is happening in a beautiful place. We are going to enjoy our nature in the nature, which is great power to have sessions in the mountains, in the sea, and in this beautiful place, Tao Center,